Hi, second grade. It's Mrs. Shook again. We're grade 2 skills. We're on unit 3, lesson 2. Our learning goals for this lesson: sorting words with the A sound spellings as well as words with the A sound and spellings. The A sound spellings include AI, AY, and A space E. And then reading the next story called The Spelling Bee and answering text-based questions. Okay, let's get started. So here are our two trees sorting out the sound spellings. On our A tree, read the words with me. We have sand, back, grab, grass, snap, cat, chat, fat, raft, and mask. Notice all of those words, the A sound is spelled with only the letter A. On the A tree, we have 4 different spellings: AY, the single A, AI, and A space E. For the AI words, we have claim and rain. A space E, we have cake and name. The A words, we have acorn and paper. And then for AY, we have may and stay. Okay, now we're going to look at a series of words. Listen carefully to say the word, and then point to the correct tree which matches the sound of the A in the word. So listen carefully, and as you're watching, just point to or think about what tree it would fall on. First word, bat. Is that a or an A sound? Bat. Good. A. Next word, same. Good. It's an A. How about lake? Another A. Pad. That's an A. Next we have bad, which is another A sound. Next we have dad. D-A-D. A. Next word, wait. It's an A. Day, also an A. Say, good, again, A. Rain, A. And our last word, cab, ab, is the short A sound. Great job. So today we're going to focus on 2 of the sound spellings for the A sound, AI and AY. Here's the spelling card for AI, like in the word wait. A and I are partners to make the A sound. Looking at the power bar, you can see that this is not the most common spelling for this sound. Here are some words that have the AI spelling for the sound A: aim, pain, aid, sail, mail, and paid. Our other sound spelling is AY, like in the word day. And you can see by the power bar this is even less common than the last one. Some words with the AY spelling: may, pay, say, play, and weigh and tray. Okay, and here is our chart with all of the different spellings for the A sound. Today we talked about AI and AY. If you have your own code chart, you can go ahead and color these in green on the A page. Okay, next we have our word sort, activity page 2.1. What you need to do is sort the words by their spellings. Write the words with the A sound spelled AI under rain in this first category. The words with the A sound spelled AY under day. And then the A sound spelling of A space E under cake. Okay, so we'll go through this together. We're just going to look at the word and determine its spelling and then where it goes, what list it will go in. They already did stained forest. They circled the AI, makes the A sound, and it's on this list. Next word, train. Train also has AI. Next, clay, AY. Top of the next list, with paid, AI is making the A sound. Our next word is strayed. Again, AY. Next we have bait with an AI. Our next list, the third column, playing. AY makes that A sound. Our next word, brains. We have again AI. Then tray, AY. Fourth column, raining. Again, AI. Next we have say, AY. The bottom of the fourth column, make, MAKE. That's our first word in the A space E column. A and E are not next to each other, but this partner pair still works together to make the A sound. Top of the fifth column, we have plate, also in the A space E. Then we have rake, also in the A space E. Pain, it's back to the AI. Hay, AY. Daytime, AY. And mistake, A space E. Okay. If you need more time to finish or review this, simply pause the video. Now we're going to move on to reading our new story. Okay, we're still in our Kids Excel reader. Our focus for reading this book is to understand and answer questions about the text. And it's a reminder that the word excel in the title means to work hard to do something really well. Remember, we learned in the first story about the publisher that the kids that he works with excel at all different kinds of things. Sports, hobbies, activities, school, they excel in all different categories. Some of the sound spellings and spellings you'll see in the text today. We have our three A spellings, AY, AI, and A space E. Like days, say, Sunday, and stay are all AY words. Gale, chair, weighted, and airplane are all AI words. State, stage, mistake, and airplane are all A space E words. Notice airplane is on 2 columns. It's a multi-syllable word. It's actually on 3 columns. And then our multi-syllable words, expert, expect, 100, Sunday, weighted, airplane, and mistake. The vocabulary, 3 of the words you'll see in this story. Ding, ding, is a word used for ringing a bell. Runner up, a competitor who comes in second place in a competition. Dark horse is an idiom or a phrase to describe a little-known competitor who surprises others by doing well. So this is a competitor that the judges and other people might not know, but they do really well, and it surprises everybody because they don't know this person very well. Our purpose for reading today: read carefully to find out more about spelling bees. Okay, so you might know what a spelling bee is already, you might not, but when we read today, you're going to learn more information about them. So it's called the spelling bee. Read along with me. If you need more time to read or to look back at the story, simply pause the video or play it back. This past spring, I went to see the state spelling bee. The state spelling bee is a spelling contest that lasts 2 days. On day 1, a bunch of kids sit down to take a written spelling test. On day 2, the kids who do the best on the written test get up on a stage and spell. 110 kids took the spelling test last spring. The kids had to spell words like chimpanzee. The 50 who did the best on the written test went on to day 2 of the spelling bee. Day 2 is the part of the spelling bee I like best. That's when the kids get up on stage and spell words out loud. A man will say a word, then the speller has to spell the word one letter at a time. If the speller spells the word without a mistake, he or she gets to keep spelling. If the speller makes a mistake, a bell rings. Ding! Once the bell rings, that is the end. The speller is out of the bee. He or she must sit down in a chair and look on while the rest of the spellers stay in the bee and keep spelling. On day 2 of the bee, I sat and looked on as the bell rang for lots of kids in the bee. Airplane, A-E-R-P-L-A-N-E. Ding. Graying, G-R-A-I-N-G. Ding. Sunday, S-U-N-N-D-A-Y. Ding. So those are 3 of the words as examples of what some of the kids got. The next page, you'll see there's the pictures with some captions of the kids' names underneath. The bell went on ringing all day until there were just 3 spellers left. Carlos Lopez, age 12, was one of the 3. He was the runner-up in the last spelling bee. 2 of the experts I spoke with said they expected him to win the bee. Amber Hunter, age 12, was still in the game too. She finished in 5th place at the last bee. The experts I spoke with said she had a good chance of winning. Gail Day, age 11, was the dark horse. I asked the spelling experts who she was. They just shrugged. Amber Hunter was spelling well. Then she got a hard word. She stood thinking. She spelled the word as well as she could. She waited. Ding! Amber Hunter was out of the bee. That just left Gail Day and Carlos Lopez. Okay, once you've finished reading and rereading if needed, complete activity page 2.2 or answer the questions on the Google form. The questions for 2.2. What do kids do in a spelling bee? What sound do kids hear when they misspell a word? How old are the spellers in the bee? Who was the runner-up in the last spelling bee? Who do you think will the winner of the spelling bee be, and why? Write 3 words from day 2 of the spelling bee. Questions 1, 3, 4, and 5 are all long answer questions. Number 5 is your opinion, but for the other questions, you'll see it says page number. So when you answer it, you should be looking back in the text, and you're going to write down what page you found that information on to ensure that you're using the text to help you get the full answer. For number 5, you don't have to put your page number, but the why tells you to still look back and use your evidence from the story to help you explain. 2 is multiple choice, and 6, you're going to write some of the words from the book. If you're not using the sheet, you're using Google Forms. So, Unit 3, Lesson 2. Great job today. See you tomorrow.